Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be talking about changing color palettes for the seasons and choosing a color palette for the fall. I'm also going to be transitioning these wreaths as well as my outdoor house planter sign from spring, summer into fall. I just want to share these vinyl siding hooks that I just got. This is the absolute perfect thing if you want to hang something outside on the side of your house. And I'm going to show you how they work. So I'm going to hang up my planter sign using these. Right now my sign is hanging by something that was already on the house when we moved here, and it's not holding up too well. But these, they come 4 to a pack, very reasonably priced. I'm going to put a link in the description box below in case you want to get these. I'm sure these will be great for somebody. This is how they look. And I'm going to use 2 for my sign, but for now I'm going to show you how they work. There is a space and you just slip the hook under that space, and look at that. You can hang anything from this. It's very secure, and if you want to take it out, all you have to do is just lift it and pull it out. Okay, let me just show you my number sign and how I'm going to decorate that to match my wreaths. Alright, so here's my house number sign the way it is now, and it's hanging on this old rusty hook. This thing is destroyed, and I covered the number just for a little bit of anonymity, but this thing keeps moving side to side, so what I'm going to do is put the hooks. I'm going to put one here and one here. I'm going to replace my summer flowers with my fall flowers, and I'll show you how I'm going to match that with the 2 wreaths that I'm going to make. And then we'll just see exactly how these hooks work. So I'm just going to take this down. Alright, that thing can go. Okay, so it's removed. This is what I was using before. This thing is horrible. Alright, let me add my hooks on here. I'm going to put one here. Okay, so it's in there now. This hook is here. And the other one is right there. So I'm just going to slide this right up onto the side of the house. It's hanging perfectly. No more tipping. And it's nice and firm. So now I'm just going to replace the summer flowers as I mentioned. And stick around and I'll show you what I'm going to do with the wreaths for the front doors. I'm taking the styrofoam inside to do it. It's not working well. Okay. Alright, here it is. I put it all together inside. So these are just a mixture of things from the Dollar Tree. I just stuffed them into the styrofoam. Nothing special. I hope this looks okay. If you want to see how to make one of these planter signs, the link to that video is in the description box below. I'm going to just replace these summery flowers with the color palette which is here. This is what I'm using for the fall, so I'm kind of incorporating the same teal or turquoise that I have in other areas, and I'm going to incorporate that same color with browns and yellows and a tiny bit of orange. It's called Sea Glass. I got this at Walmart, and this pumpkin I had originally decorated last year. And if you want to see how I did my fall decor and how I painted my pumpkins last year, that link will be in the description box as well as right above. But right now, just to change the color palette, I'm painting over the white parts with the Sea Glass paint. But it's also just transitioning things that you might already have into something else that you can use without going out and buying everything new. This pumpkin I already did last year as well. It had a lot more glitter on it. I just wiped most of it off just to give a faint hint of the glitter. And then this one here I had spray painted previously. That's a Dollar Tree pumpkin too. And I have these Dollar Tree pumpkins, just the ones that you might find on this clip. So it comes 3 on the little thing. And I just painted them white. I'm gonna mix this orange, it's called orange sherbet, with a little bit of white just to give a hint of the orange on there. These here are the items I'm going to be using. Most of these things came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to combine all of these things. I have all my pumpkins over here. I'm just going to assemble everything now. So I'm just going to put this here. It's going to be kind of like that. So just start with that first. And I'm going to position that right here. And then this one is going to be kind of angled this way. And now I'm going to take one of these smaller ones, and I'm going to position that one here. Kind of like this. Yeah, that looks fine. And then I'm gonna take one of these, this one with the one with the clip, and I'm gonna stick that one right at the top of that. So this is how they're looking in the corner over here. Now I'm just gonna incorporate some of the yellow leaves and even some greenery. So I think I'm gonna stop there. Of course, you can always do so much more, but I'm just gonna leave it at this. And I'm gonna put the sign back on, the welcome sign. I had to remove it, and then I'm gonna hang it up.